His salad is so messed up right now. Oh my god, I can't even. So good. No, don't get it on the don't get it on the don't get it on the pillow. Don't, no, you're getting it on the couch. Brad, no, Tolga, you have it on the couch. Get it on his face.
He's laughing.
He's not laughing. He has nothing. Seriously, you need to get this off the couch though, for real.
I got it off the couch, but he's not supposed to go down.
No, he doesn't. Seriously, stuff will freak out.
I'm coming.
Oh my god, this is not good. This is Tolga, this is not good. It's on the couch. Tolga. No, you need to get off his hair still. Oh my god, not good.
We got fun.
No, it's not okay. No, don't leave it. He's gonna keep like.
Sean.
Actually, Erica, you him up and put him in bed. He'll never know.
I tried to put him in bed like 3 times and he's like, fuck you.